here, guys, we're putting the isolation plate, and this is just, it's a form of styrofoam, and this one here is we put the plastic first, but the before the concrete we put, what is it, plastic. It's like a floor mat, but it's thicker and it has texture here that is, this is how it looks like when we took the floor mat. It's like carpet. Yeah, this one here. Huh?
Wall-to-wall carpet.
Wall-to-wall carpet, like that. And this is what it was. It's like a floor mat, and then when we took it off, this is how it looks like. And then after that, we put the plastic, and the next is the isolation plate, and the top of it is is it Varmacobbler or it's Varmafolia or heat foil. But if you have a concrete, then you can put warm cables. It's called Varmacobbler in English. But since we already have a floor here, so we don't need that. We just need the foil. Okay, so nice.
That's all good.
Yeah. And the temperature outside is -3.3. So this is how it looks outside now. So nice.
"12 seconds later."
Guys, this is how it looks like when it's done. So I'll show you that. Let's go down. And then in this, my shoes is,
But there's no mark, is it? You're not that fat.
yo, there is
No, just dust. I walk that.
a little bit. So we didn't put in this side because there would be a kitchen in both sides, so we just put it in the hallway. I'll go out here now, guys, because I guess it's already destroyed.
No, it's not destroyed.
Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm here at the apartment and I haven't been here yesterday, so I will gonna show you how it looks like now. Today is February 5, 2019, and I guess this one will be uploaded later. And the electrician already put the warm or heating foil, and this is powered by electricity as yeah. And this is very thin, guys. It's like maybe 2 millimeters or 1 millimeter. And when you just look at it, it looks like the solar panel. It looks almost the same. And it is so amazing, guys, how it can produce heat when it's very thin. It's very thin. And what we're gonna do here is we put the plastic, and next will be the floor panel. So I hope we can finish this, guys, this week, so we can put the doors. We still have a lot of things to do here. We haven't painted the wall because I can't decide what color should we paint. and we haven't haven't put the door yet. The doors, we have how many doors here? 3 doors and 2 for the bathrooms. And the next is the kitchen. It haven't arrived yet. And the appliances for the kitchen, we haven't received it yet. Maybe next week or next week. But hubby will be free the whole week next week, so he can do a lot of things here at the apartment. And our moving day is February, last week of February. So we will gonna start moving next week on the weekend. What else are gonna do here? So yeah, guys, I guess that's all. But I'm gonna show you how we did the floor here. I hope I still have a lot of storage in my memory card so I can show you the whole process. And guys, it's snowing a lot outside here. And we have a lot of garbage. It's very dark here. So we move all the materials here, and this is already with floor, guys. But we just put the papers so the floor will not get damaged. And I will show you guys there in the entrance party or in the entrance, because hubby already put the floor there. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Hubby already put the floor here. It looks like tiles, but it's not a tiles, guys. It's plastic. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It is gray color like that, but it looks like light. And that one is not yet put up like that. It's a long panel. We use cutter to cut it. And so there, my husband gonna use this one to step on the foil so it doesn't get damaged. So we still have a lot of work to be done here. And there we need to paint on the wall. I'm not so sure what paint we're gonna do here. And here I'm done plastering this wall here, but it needs maybe 3 layers of plaster, and that 2 walls there is not yet plastered, so we were gonna do it last. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna wait for hubby to come, and then I'm gonna show you how we did the process here in putting the floors. Or it's just the same as what we did last time, but today I hope I can film the whole process of just fast forward, but I hope I can show you the progress. And that one there at the back, that box there is the sink. So we haven't done that one yet because we were gonna do the bathroom when we are done here at the house. And that is heating system. There inside is the water that is warmed. And then this one here, this one will be put that part here, this. So it's almost done. Update. This is how it is now. It's almost half of the floor is almost done. Say hi at the back.
Almost half of the almost floor is done.
Yeah, half.
Almost half of the floor is done.
Almost half. Now, is it half? Ow.
Almost.
What happened? You need to move.
Huh? When honey,
What?
you need to be a little bit careful when you're walking. I don't want the camera is damaged. Can you help me a little bit, buddy?
Yeah, it's almost done now.
"12 seconds later."